Celebrities influence our viewpoints, fashion trends, and beauty standards with every passing movie, award show, and even their social media posts. If you want same glowing, shiny and bouncy skin like these celebrities, I am going to share some tips and ingredients which they have shared through different platforms. Priyanka Chopra is an Indian actress, model, and singer. The winner of the Miss World 2000 pageant, she is a unique personality in her class due to her beauty. Chopra shared her secrets of beauty during her interview with Harper's Bazaar, which she had learned from mom. According to Chopra's mother, cleaning your skin before going to bed is of the most important because that's when the skin has time to breathe. Priyanka swear by coconut oil for a natural clean. Let's start with her favorite remedy number 1, Cotton Face Mask. 1 cup whole wheat flour. Turmeric, a pinch. Lime juice, a few drops. Full cream yogurt, just enough to create a paste. Rose water, optional. Combine ingredients in a bowl to create a paste-like texture. If it feels too dry, add rose water until you achieve the perfect consistency. Apply to the skin and leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes. Gently rub the dried mask off the skin to remove fine hairs and dry skin while you exfoliate.